Hello, this is Lance Corporal Yates. I'm going to be teaching you how to do flag in the morning and in the afternoon. First, I'm going to be going over the drill portion, then I will be going over the procedures. Since I didn't get enough footage of the drill, I just decided to do it at my house. So let me just get this chart out of the way real quick and teach you guys. So, say I was in the middle of two cadets. I would be trying to align to them, I'd be at attention, and I would be the one that would be calling the commands. So what I would say would be forward, march, detail, halt. So when you're the middleman, you need to make sure that you're calling everything at the right foot. So if you were to say forward, march, the first step that you'd take would be detail, and then after one step, you'd say halt, and then you take one more step, and then you go to the position of attention. So this is what it should look like. Forward, march, detail on your first step, take one more step, halt on your third step, freeze. So let's go over it one more time. Forward, march, detail, halt, step, freeze. Just like that. Thanks for watching, and let's move on. So at this point, you should probably be at the edge of the pavement in front of the flagpole. That means now you need to get the cadets to your left and to your right in front of it so that they can unlock the flagpole and bring it down. These commands are ready post and ready face. These cadets made sure to arrive very early so that the flags were flying at exactly 0800. As you can see here, this cadet is unlocking the flagpole so that they can bring down the keychains to clip on the flags. These cadets need to make sure that they're moving quickly and carefully so that the flags are clipped on time and correctly. When clipping on the flag, you need to be very careful to clip the top corner on first and then the bottom corner on second so that the flags aren't upside down once they go into the air. This is a common mistake made by many first-year cadets. One thing that you need to be very sure of when you're doing flag is that it isn't touching the ground. This is why cadets hold the flag closely to them when they're lifting it up. While doing flag, you will either have your platoon commander, sergeant, or guide monitoring you so that you do not make any mistakes. Don't forget that the red part is on the bottom of the California flag and then the white part is on top of it. So when you're clipping on the California flag, make sure you clip on the white corners first and then the red corners. As you can see here, Cadet Private Tao's platoon commander is helping him make sure that the flag is not touching the ground. Now, both of the flags are clipped on. These cadets will now wait until it's exactly 0800 to start lifting up the flags. When quickly bringing up the flags, you need to yell colors so that everyone knows to salute. Both of the flags are now flying in the air. Now this cadet needs to tie the rope back onto the flagpole and close it up and lock it. After you make a figure 8-like knot on the flagpole, make sure that you pull it tightly. This keeps the flags from getting tangled or undone. After flag is finished, the middle cadet will call ready face. After the flagpole cadets are finished facing, they will march back by the command, return march. Also make sure that you don't take any extra steps, please. So school is now over and it's time to bring down the flags. The first step is to bring down the flags and unclip them to start folding. You fold both the California flag and the American flag the same way. And the first step that you do would be fold it in half. Then after that, you'd fold it in half once again. Before the second fold, make sure that the stars are facing the ground. Once you've finished folding in halves, the person on the striped side will start to fold in triangles. They will continue with the same repeated method until the flag is nearly finished. Once you have no more room to fold any more triangles and you have a little bit of flag left, stuff the remaining flag into the pocket that the triangle fold has formed. Don't worry, you'll get better at it. After you're finished, try to tidy it up and make sure that there are no more red spots. That's it for First Platoon's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned how to do flag correctly.